Hi guys, good to see you again. This is Strela Tongnausam and welcome to Mami Mapao. Impact TV gi Mami Mapao so asi binyang tabiriba pumna magpo ahanba magtada taramnok cheri. Today we bring you the latest news and events from the world of entertainment. First of all, thank you so much to all the fans and followers of Mami Mapao. Mami Mapao gi mga ragsuba episode ta miyam gi comments, suggestions and appreciations singida magthagacheri. 5th episode na 75,000 plus view panglakpa asida miyam na support ubire haina lojek. So asi hena fazaba hena mapungphaba mo oina bagida mag adom gi support yam na changi. So folks, please keep supporting Mami Mapao. Dear viewers, ngasigi tarug laksuba episode asida karam-karamba mapao purakli bagi haibadu amtang tamcheke. We have audition of Miss, Mr. and also Mrs. Iowa India Manipur. It's hitting the ramp for the first time. Aduga, ani subadana. Mayon hairiba Manipur feature film amagi making ama. And we have a news of poster release of a horror film. Loina na, mamla sanu taibang pal hairiba film asigi making ama mityang taminasi. And finally, ethical fashion event hits 2017 again on its 5th edition. Kamdo bagay yang minasi. Audition of Iowa Miss, Mr. and Mrs. India is hitting Manipur under the collaboration of Raj and BK Enterprises along with Amar Cine Production, Mumbai. So let's have a look.
Okay, right now there's an intense pressure inside the hall because the audition for Mr., Mrs. and Miss Iowa 2017 is going on. Mayam da khangan jaba amana event as the winner oigadoriba main title logadoriba Mr., Miss and Mrs. Iowa India 2017 aduna Manipur represent taurga India gyo in a compete taurgani. And the journey doesn't end there. The 4 winners of Iowa India 2017 will be representing India for international level. That was a mouthful. Alright, let's join the party.
Manipur ihan hanboina Raj and BK amadi Amar Cine Production Mumbai ani na khushamnaduna Mr. Miss amadi Mrs. Iowa India Manipur contest lakliba August 8 da pangthokadori. Contest asigi ani shuba audition Classic Hotel da pangthokre. Classic Hotel da pangthokiba ani shuba audition aduda matam sangna Qatar Airways da air hostess oina thau puraklabi Miss Chanju Sharma su jury member oina saruk yaki. Hariba contest asigi Manipur gi director Vomi Chan Khabana oiri amadi lam asibu pamjaba mayum makai palabu nupa amasu nupi animakta makoi lotun laidiba haithoi singthoi ba sing adubu uthok chan na bagi tanja ama piriba fashion gi phambak amani.
So we're with the director of Iowa India Manipur, Mr. Bhumichan Khaba.
Iowa India is a pan-India beauty contest. Manipur will be participating for the first time. The grand finale is on August 9th in Manipur itself, and even Daljit Kaur itself, she is coming to Manipur.
What is the motive of Iowa?
Well, it's a very different beauty contest, even for all over India, because the motive behind this event is, you know, to stop domestic violence against child and women, and again for sexual harassment and gender inequalities and all these kind of issues, and yes, for women empowerment, this kind of issues. This Iowa is trying to, you know, give message to the society, and again by making all these winners as a role model in the society to make some changes of these issues which is happening all over India, of domestic violence, you know, all this abusement and all these things. Daljit, the president of Iowa, she herself is a activist, social activist.
So Daljit Kaur is actually
the president of Iowa, and she is Mrs. India Universe 2007. So she will be coming for the event in Manipur. And yes, there is one guy called Manish Dabrel. He is again a Bollywood film maker, and he will be here as a choreographer and to groom the models for 2 days.
Okay, thank you so much from your views. I think it is going to be a very huge event, and I wish you all the best for that. Thank you so much for your time.
ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ imung manunggi amadi nupi gi mayok to chathariba miot minai loina loina na nupi da sakti sina bahaiba sina thorom asigi nunggi wakhalol oiri amadi model sing asibu society asigi mayek laraba role model amamam ohen basu hotnagadawri.
So this is the second audition for Aiwa India Manipur 2017. We have our special jury who is 5-year experience as a cabin crew in Qatar Airways, Miss Sarju Sharma.
Hi everyone.
So what do you expect from your participants of Manipur?
It's a one-of-a-kind show held in Manipur for the married and married women, men, and also for the unmarried ladies. More of a married woman participated as compared to the unmarried one. So that's actually a good part, because there are a lot of this married women. They like to expose themselves, like their talents, and but Manipur being a conservative, they have been hidden inside. But I think Aiwa is doing a great job giving an opportunity here to the people of Manipur.
Impact TV na media partner oiduna chathariba changdam naba sida athoiba sing aduna Mumbai da November 13 da pangthokadariba Mr. Miss Aiwa India amade December 2 da pangthokadariba Mr. and Mrs. Aiwa India da saruk yagani loinana madudagi khangatlaba sing aduna malemgi thakta amuk changdam nagadawri.
So that was the audition for Aiwa India 2017. This is Tenzing and you're watching Mami Mapao.
Manipur si talent na thalli haibasi haiman bathogloi. Lagliba pageant mayam masina tagliba. Lagliba 9th August da so asi DM College ki multi-purpose hall da pangthokadawri. Mathang lairiba Mapao asi mayon hairiba Laimayum Surjakantana direction piba film adugi making ama miyam mityang taminas.
Chaloye, susa chaloye.
Sasi mami ang galing
Nang
eh. Nang kuyip siya lang niya ha.
Leninge, yang leninge. Yang leninge. Bibai tandani.
Saga siya dere. Bibai tandani. Nang lolo ba dere saga siya but dere.
Nang leninge le.
Nang leninge le leninge to. Ay dine sa le tabi suya de. Saga but bende. Yes. Ay no bi doctor ko ito rin niya.
Ano na lang so. Sino na ba? Lao, tin lao.
Ay di nang kamay tin ba? Bike shop na. DJ lock to. Kappa na. Action! Di ba magkadawra?
Daure.
Kapo! Kapo!
Kamal Films Production ki banner makhada Laimayum Surjakanta Sharma ne lamjing lamtaktuna mayon haina mingthonba mama gi nungsibada yumpham oiba film ama Kamal na puthok tu miyam khurul tamgadori film ase pankatpada M Surchana camera boy yai komna editor Awoi Khan music Priya ma sangita ani na makeup Meenakshi na costume loina na NG Somorjit amadi B Rosie ani na assistant director gi tongan thagwai sing ase launari
si story si chumnagi mioi bigi turning point my own is the best of family amada nupa na tragana pi aina saliba agi lifestyle agi lamsetche aina salisi lali haibu gi turning point adu piba title ni mayo aiba si masi lasin aroiba film gi lasin ni adu august release ta nabe da makta film si post production da sem sabalore B Rosie ki wari amadi screenplay da khudol tamgadaru film asida Pusparani na saishakloi oiri loina na Boni Sadananda Biju Roji asina chingba maming leiraba madi leiribi mamiroi kya asina saktam langba gi mathakta master yai khomba busu mayon hariba film asida child artist ama oina saktam langli saruk yari
Manipur da hoji film namna riba sing asi ya me nammi se dum nammi meyam su ubiri ko market asu dum laiba producer sing da kayam chawna return la ke haiba se si wahang amane ba adagi whole sing da leiriba fibam adagi sinegor sing na hall da laga cinema kya mi yengi ke kahe gum se kara nai na bachange aduga hojik cinema return sidadi kitang show le hai ta ai experience ko Manipur gi society da thoiba problem me amse me am da thambang am na ba akoi film se nam mi ne ba aduna mayam ne yeng bira kanda adu mayam se mayam expose to na bagi tanja dagi nam na bagi tanja pangal do pina ga do ni aduna mayon khakta gi nate Manipur cinema sing na mayam support to biu
yam saukhal laba society sida maruina naharol sing haitare nupi bor nupa boiro akhoi punsi da kai dawda ge haiba karam mayon da chat ka da ge haiba adaga ai family da ai future gi da makta kari aina ima ipa na akhoi da thami ba thajaba ai youth amoi bagi tawam thokpa thabak thodang ai hope future determination magi keno myam si sigi si yam mayek seng na di yek pa si puthokning ba usigi leini ba keno si da puthokning bagi mami yam song ta film amane ai thamjage ai chora ni na te kya sa koi ma
kari ki no nang na sau kun pu adu yam na sin ku khudak te da lei da da
adu de hin dress kai di se dore lei da dia
ka do na ba dress to da
na ai ko le dress ni lei da ma du dress da ni
ha na boy sai sak toi ba
sak toi ni ni no sakai toi ni
adu di ai sila
la no chamo chana mi me amang du kai seno biro sen
Miman na trabi wakal chori bin naubi ko bin nupi mana macha bu kaya gi matik nungsi jaba wakal chori bin mama bu macha du na kaya gi matik nungsi jaba inkhala ko ma hucha punsi gi lambi mayon la na thang luraba wakal chori bin naubi gi mapuroi ba pari gi da makhanja bada laiman oiduna punsi pikham na khraba mama madi mapa ani na hingli in matam na sak lamba mai chak nakal lamrom da yumba lambi da khongda raba matung thaja ko wi kanglei chanu mana macha phok tabada gi karam phibam da leiba mane maku ani na ani suba mamo pamak pana maram oiduna imung manung karam na kang khong chairakpa pumnamak khangmin nan bagidama ngaimina si mayon namia mang thorakpa
da babok sing da haizening bade aigi masi sana haibani na mayam da kayo na khande no aigi story se kitang tongan ba haidare ko ai khoi gi mama sing sina ai re dum hawari du so haijekre masa sing se kyam nungsi du mama sing si gi tongan ba masa bokta bagi masa kaino phangda bagi mama macha ngau bagi macha na ngausin na bagi ade macha nungai ai phabai mungam dana masa to sigum ai tongan ba character da masa sing si mama sing na khanba pot khare yauri do hai sing se wari se kamaina mama na kamaina kyam nungsirino jaga kyam warino kyam khallino khanjino kamain khallino kamain khanjino haibedo mayam na sum aigi wari se na am haidana sitobane te aigi pukning da phaujaba khara feel tawraga isabani aduda mayam na nungsibiraga ai si film se meng tabiyo
macha ma yaudaba imung da moi imung sida crisis mayam ma thokna ba masa gi hakta masa bu yauzana ba dum haidi angau bi nupi amagi aina pungsi jaba angam kha dum aina thabak chapa matam na thengna ba anga ma aigi icha oige na aina sum khallaga angang se dum koi thi jaba matang da hai tare aigi rose ai di ai so zik angang so irin na ai isa da su kitang bodi ai kai haini hidi kitang haina da pok dos maina angang ama kaino thibo sa ba khol pa ga dagi ai ga correct tori ba da sedan da ingon dai khoi dai am senior ne aduna aingondha haidi aina dasadan dagi kaino correct tong minar pa matam da aina chana na ba hotna da su ai waje haita adu taraga su ai manage tawraga ngamna ba dasadan na aingonda su support tawraga ai yam phajana taw yam nuwaina taw
Mayon hariba film asi soidana mityang tabiyo. Renowned veteran celluloid film gi action director haina su khangnaba Laimayum Surjakanta na direction piba film mani Mayon. Next, we have the official poster release function of the horror film Toicha 3.
Miyam the Kudol Tamnan Nabagidamak same Shab Loisilak Manipuri horror film Toisa 3 poster Hauna Bimatung ina Haukib July Tang Kulum Doida film Masigi producer gi Sangai the Pangtokpa Achamba Taurama Mother release to Kore film as Lakib September Gitang Mapanna Manipur State Film Development Society da premiere so Utnaba same Sari Impact TV na media partner Weriba Madi Jitendra Ningombana Takpi Tambibata Natana story madi screenplay supi the film asi Akoijam Ibom Chan Putopane Film asida Laisangthem Tonthoi ngambi miyamna thoidok hendongna Tonthoi hairaga khangnaribi national gi thakta lemjaninga oiraba mana mathum kyasu lorkrabi asina maruoiba mamiroi oiri
koina film si namnaba oinaba honarpada akoina nungdangi da namgadaba saruk yauba adagi mafam jagada yamna akoigi amamba adagi mayamda yengmu matamda kitang akiba phawgadaba adumana number sing yaurakpa adumba thengna number khotpa adumba matangda akoida yamna nungaitaba adagi awabdi yam thengnagi Manipur da film mayam amsu puthoe tongan tongan ba wari kya da yumpham warga thoicha sina tongan ba wari amni part 1 2 puthokre adu part 3 sina di tongan ba mayam da top pa mo am pigadrai na dikhal
Thoicha 3 will be released on September at MFSDS Konung Mamang. So get ready to be thrilled. But before that, let's take a short break.
Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Credit Linked Subsidy Scheme, Mission Housing for All by 2022. In conjunction with the Government of India, Mission Housing for All by 2022, Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, the sole housing finance company brings you Our Promise, Your Home under our motto, Shelter for All, governed by PMAY CLSS. The company under PMAY CLSS provides subsidized home loan to 28 towns in Manipur. Loan amount of up to Rs 15 lakh for economically weaker section and low income group. Loan amount of up to Rs 50 lakhs for middle income group. EMI as low as Rs 1,136 per lakh. Zero processing fee. Subsidized of up to Rs 2.67 lakhs. We request the people of Manipur to kindly visit our offices at Imphal, Nambol, Bishnupur, Moirang and Kakching and get the benefit of PMAY CLSS. Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited.
Welcome back again. Continuing, we have behind the scene making of a Manipuri feature film, Mamlasanu Taibangpao, a film by Oken Amokcham. Mayam film asigi kutsem amuktang mityang taminis.
Ima Laishem Inat Loisang Ilil Films ki banner makada Mamlasanu Taibangpal haina mingthon film ama saknairaba National Award kaya su fangkraba filmmaker Oken Amakchamna lamjing lamtak puna puthokadauri nungsi nungona mate khunai asigi channa kanglo na yumpham oiduna pankhatliba film ase laipa luangi mayek wari amadi sairol nei loina na Arbin Soibam amadi Pusparani anina saisakloi gi thau pangli
akhoi gi film Mamlasanu Taibangpal si chaliba sahi si April ki tang 8 ta akhoi yai phathangni tawjarwa matungda April ki tang 18 dagi akhoi shooting si haujabani ngasi si film asida yawba yamna chawba luhongba gi sin ama khakki akhoi palace compound da leba mama premika ga yum si da khoi thawrang tawjabani sumna khakki ngak ki natabda tasengba luhongba amagi maitei luhongba amagi hek hawbada na loyo phawgi Sangliba Machak, Karim the Chitadana, lining like one chap chabado, Tawzaraga, Tawzagadoribani. I was giving me a wish, which is labor Kuna, said that a choba in our conversing, lied of a singbu, Yotsenba, I would lie of a singbu, I quay me when a collectaba, Machatama, Karim Kana when a king Naribasi. Lila da cinema da apna puthok pagi thodang log jabani
laira baina khun bai basi di mioi bana khai bani si ke thoidona sida khena balaiti hai bagi adugumba character amkhak lawjabani adong asi setup se khoi pura luhongba asoba luhongba amagi adum asoba setup amani tawbirisi Manipur gi culture bu su yamna asoba mayon amda hujik lai revolution sida purokna bu hona bada film si gisu to asoba thodang ama soidana lawrka drive gi ina thajaba lei manamdi film se mayamna yengro matungda maitei gi nat ki luhong masi karam maina luhongi dagi maitei gi nat ki nupi singna khoi gi ningol singna karamba pijit saksa seli dagi nupa singna kamain tawgani ga haibasi si film sida yam phajana mayek singna khoina utpang amjagani ena ina khanjai
Yoi mayai mongsabana editor oiduna Mohon Kanglana cinematographer gi thopang liba amade Sarmila Chanuna makeup gi thodang lawriba film ni Mam Lasanu Taibang Pal
Khwai degi top top ama ugo phangje isam sam naijare bada yan hanba mohor makta da sigumba thorom si bawa top top ai karimta khangje na koi di hana gi isam samba dress ta kari da dum laksabani adu lebirami ba tawirami ba mayam si on thokpa chap manaba phije nahana nahagi phije aduga ahanna ahangi nupi nupa se yam chap manaba mongama da laigi kalibe thoramna singba pumnama si pum top top candle jowa sijinna da oi sumna maitei gi ba thaini gi janarak khoiru natraga usana singba arige haira sigumna yamna sengna tawbugi phiba mama ai uje mamangai gi oiba khoi gi haurakpadagi leramba posakchi kaitang hanjallaknaba madugi mami ma tanaba kan honaba khongthang ni nai tamjage
film se sinadi ahum suba film oidoi isana di dum siro se chanai na khanje dum yam nungai na su adum kano tawe pulap oza hoi kai hoi na su bibi bani na isana su yam pam na loje khongau set am te yaw de huji ki film sida phanek set pa khotana tawba thaina gi ma'am uthok khotok pa se sigi film study phangjare adun yam chakthok pa phauze mamang da thengna badu ga tongan tongan ba di ore ko adui tar ga su sigi film su yam nungai crew leri ba khotliba oza takpi on smile tawba khotpa soira channel mala hoi plug assistant director do yam nungai loine pun loima crew su ga su loi nungai
Mingkon salai ngambana puthok leba film asida ready yumna mamadi ki sorokaibam anina mapungoi ba saktam langbaga loinana Sylvia Thongam Priyo Gopal Sharma RK Sorojini amadi L Saita Priyana chungba kayana Mami roi sing oiri thanga patmapan hairangoi thong palace compound konthogjam maphogdam takhel sanjenbam asina chingba mafum kayada shooting pangthok leba film asida ina kera khulba kayana lairaba singu yoshilakba miya moina phawba uraktabagi matau loina loinana ina kera khunba imungna lairaba imungi miyoi singa ngai sen oining dabagi matau na chingba kaya khunai asida uba phangak liba sibu film gi phambak thak pankhatuna miyam da utkadori
film asi yamna deep oiba mongda society da reflectoraga chawkhat minasi haibagi message ama piriba film amani so Mami Mapao team wishes a grand success for the film. Lastly, mayam raba khangembam gi ethical fashion event Walk Till You Die hariba so asi 5th edition model of all genders na saruk yariba so asi mayam mityeng kamis
Raba Khangimam present tawtuna ethical fashion event haina Bington Badram workshop ama haukiba July tang taramanga da Kawa Pukri community hall pangthokre kumja listing ani taramari dagi pangthokpa horokiba fashion event asigi manga suba edition asida apunba design and nipan gi tongan tongan ba item singbu model nifu manga na ramp walk ta lighting laduna tilli miyam gi pungning sumatki
aina soasibu sinjabagi maramdi akoigi Manipur da akoigi kana miyamna akoigi transgender sing gi thabak se yamna di tawra any art ki lambi steida thabak ti yamna tawba adubu mina hek lambi sorok ta uraga na akoigi walk tu bu ubida banga haki meeting du daida akoibu tati ta waina sida biba or nokna biba oina thokba madu do madu pumnambak to kitang phagadra khalaga ai hangna gender awma pu khalaga gi soje first gender second gender thaje haibadi male gender, female gender, amadi transgender ahumok se pulaga aina ramp walk ta amuktang da chance pibane amuktang da ahumok oina thokan bagi pandam da.
Work till you die haiba wakalon galwena na male, female amadi transgender gender om open mafamba kam odi bathoram asu puthok leba raba khangin bam na transgender single loina na anoba designer anoba modeler simbu promote tongin bagi wakalon fongdorokli.
Isai Shana bu pamjarabadi lotsinduna phumjinduna thambiganu isai sagi talent tu uthoknabagi chance ama oina atai show mayam na makha maki atopa show jata ai gi show di mayam tagi khatang difference oina haibadi ai anoba transgender anoba fresher model singbu promote tawzaba aina fresher model sing khanabagi damata show si horom dai audition tawzai next audition 6 edition torom dai audition adom maksu form amam tang lobiraga apply tawbiyu.
Fashion gi taibang da thoidok hendok na maming leiraba lebak na sakhang laba malem gi thak pangthok pa thorum kya da su thodang lokraba Robert Naurem na so choreograph tawduna pangthok ki ba event asida Impact TV su media partner da oiki makeup ta maming leiraba Jenny Kurai su hariba thorum asida so stopper mo ne saruk ya ki amade thorum asigi matang da wafam khara thamlaki
ngasi gi facial event asida ahang na yeng balak saba mati nanau khrai gi kono so stopper amachu oizariba sida haninga leitana yamna nungai ba mati akhoi gi transgender singna designer oiraga tawriba thabak sida yamna thagat ningai oiba masak sing yam jawe haisaningi aigi mota dia tuga traditional gi oiba dressing amati akhoi gi formal oiba dress ma amachu yawe aduga akhoi normally nupi amana natragana nupa amana sathokpada set pa ya ba dress makhal ma yamachu yawe sigitamaka ai haninga leitana harawe yam nungai matung ta batasu ethical fashion gel haisi yamna mapung khana tawbo oirakpa oisanu
saruk yariba designer singi marakta gi asa kanchipuna mahaki oiba wakalon kya fongdok lodana matamni khonglei tungina society as the fashion gi maru oirakpa busu thamlakli
asigi so only basing je yamna thongna laiba haibadi ko masagi paisa putok charaga government gi paisa ju yaudana masagi yam himat leina haibadi awaba leitana putok charaga hona jaba yamna mehnat haitare ko yamna thongna leina usaba ai yam thagat leina khali akoi gi nongna hogalaiba angang sing da ko haibadi magi thongna ju usaraga leijariba makhan mathen khujima haibadi aina tawjariba thabak se haibadi yongna ba tawradi ai aphawa ma loi oigadara na aina ju khanjai
Ethical was indeed a show to walk till death. Anyways, dear viewers, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you liked it. Mathangi episode ta tongan ba ano ba entertainment gi paudam kaya puduna muglak cheke. Mathangdam unarsi. But dear fans and followers, do send us your valuable feedbacks at www.facebook.com/mamimapao. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao. Goodbye.